If you want to hide your pages on Squarespace from search results, then you can do it really easily. Now, imagine you have specific pages for specific clients and you want only them to see it. Then you don't want search engines to be picking this up and putting it onto their search results. So luckily, we can do this pretty easily, and I'm going to show you a use case and a solution in this video. On our site here, we've got a retail venue. So let's go into pages and let's create something in the not linked section. So I don't want anyone to see this. We'll just do a blank page and we'll say, looks like that store up there is like, let's see, MID or MIO. We'll see MID. And that's that store's page. And I say, hey guys, if you want to check your reports for this month or whatever it may be, or your specific details for whatever agreement, it's on this page. But we don't want Google to pick up on that. So, or there are other search engines available, not on commission with Google. But basically, all we need to do then to hide it from search is click on the cog, and then we're going to go into SEO, and then we're going to say hide page from search results. Easy peasy. If you want to go a step further with this, let's say it's, sensitive information, you could do cog again, and you could password protect the page. So you could just say password, a very secure password, as you can see. We hit save, and now it's not only hidden from search, it's also password protected. So that is that. I told you it was easy. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.